PhoneBrowse is now outdated for iPhone file management. So many users are switching to better tools. In this video, we'll show the best PhoneBrowse alternatives for Windows and Mac to help you manage and transfer iPhone data easily. Part 1. What is PhoneBrowse? PhoneBrowse is a desktop tool for managing iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch from a computer, and like iTunes, it lets you browse files, transfer data, and back up your device. You can access photos, videos, music, contacts, messages, notes, and app files, and export or import. Part 2. Top 5 PhoneBrowse alternatives. 1. Mobikin Assistant for iOS. Mobikin Assistant for iOS is a powerful iPhone and iPad management tool for Windows and Mac. It's great for users who want full control over their device files, backup options, and quick transfers without relying on iTunes. How to use Mobikin Assistant for iOS. Step 1. Download and install Assistant for iOS. Launch the program and connect your device. Unlock your iPhone and choose to trust the computer. You will then see the main interface of Assistant for iOS. Step 2. You want to manage your device data. Like the panel on the left, where all data types are organized into categories. Select the category you want to work with. Step 3. Next, choose the management tool you need from the top menu. You can select options such as import, export, edit, or delete. Step 4. If you want to back up or restore data, open the Super Toolkit and go to the iTunes Backup and Restore section. 2. iOS Transfer. iOS Transfer is another reliable iOS management tool suitable for transferring media, contacts, and messages. It's fast, stable, and works well with the latest iOS versions. 3. Amazing. Amazing is a popular iPhone management tool loved by both casual and advanced users. It combines backups, file transfer, and device management in one package. 4. AnyTrans. AnyTrans offers an all-in-one solution for iPhone, iPad, and iPod management. It's ideal for users who want a smooth, iTunes-free experience. 5. Copatrans Manager. Copatrans Manager is a lightweight tool focused mainly on music and media transfers. It's a simple alternative for users who don't need full device management.